Mwah. Gorgeous. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sofoxyyy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves a wig install. Now let's just jump right into it. Now this is from the Melted Hairline Swirlista series, and I have this in the style Swirl 101 and in the color number 2. Now styling my natural hair, I'm actually going in with some All Day Locks braid gel. I actually used this to do my daughter's box braids, but I could not find any edge control around the house, so this will just have to do today. And being that I'm not keeping my wig on that long, I really don't mind putting this in my hair because it'll be out in a few days. Molding my hair into a nice ponytail, but let me say this, my braiders out there, girl, if you need a good braiding gel, All Day Locks will hold you down. It keeps my daughter's box braids in for about 3 weeks to a month, obviously if you maintain it right, but definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend. And this is our girl, y'all. This wig is giving me bundles. The density of it, she's 26 inches, I believe. Look at that lace and how see-through it is. I will not add any makeup in this video. This is seriously from the box to my head, and that is absolutely it. So now just putting her on my head, and this is what our girl is looking like. Tell me she's not looking like bundles. Yeah, we not doing no baby hairs today either. Going in with some scissors, and now we're just gonna go ahead and cut your lace off. Now with this part, you actually wanna be careful because they actually have the hairline coming out some to insinuate a real hairline, and I did like that. Obviously, sometimes when you cut your lace, you might cut off a strand or two, and that's perfectly fine. You just wanna make sure that you are getting as close to the hairline as possible. While I do that, I'm just going to get into the specs of this wig real quick. So like I mentioned, this wig is from the Melted Hairline series Swirlista. I have the style Swirl 101 in the color number 2. She is 26 inches, super natural shape and density, 5-inch deep C shape parting. She has a pre-attached wide elastic band for glueless installs, redesigned comfort ear contour. Girl, that was almost a tongue twister. And a soft HD transparent lace. Now I know y'all seen that lace, and baby, she was see-through. I love the fact that the hair is super silky. I think you guys heard me refer to it as bundles because that is exactly what she is giving. I do love the fact that the lace is super duper soft and super duper thin. I did not need to add any makeup to this install, and I love that. And the fact that she was giving natural, it was definitely giving no baby hairs, but this is what our girl would look like glueless. I did go ahead and I used that attached band, but I am going in with some wig spray. So that was my Eben spray, and I have her in the style Supreme. And I have been taking care of my natural hair lately, guys. So I am not keeping this wig on no more than 2 to 3 days, and I am taking her off. Your girl went through a bit of postpartum hair loss, and when I tell you my son had my hairline, girl, all the way in the back, it was just embarrassing. But now my hair is growing back, so I'm doing my best to take care of my edges. So I'm only doing 1 layer of that Eben wig spray, and that is completely it. I'm not going in with a blow dryer. You guys will see me use the stock card. I'm gonna fan this for about 2 minutes, honestly, until my arms get tired. And that was pretty much it. Then you're just gonna go ahead and grab your wig and place it onto that layer that you just sprayed, and watch your girl melt. Now using my elastic band, I'm just going to tie my hair back and we are going to melt our lace. Now I know the girlies be doing it for about 20 to 30 minutes. I cannot do that. I will give myself a freaking headache. So if I'm being honest, this band stays on, girl, for about 5 minutes, and that's really it. Using my LA Pro concealer, this is in the color Fawn. This is actually the highlight concealer that I use on my face. I drag this along my parts, and it just helps my parts look a bit more natural, you know what I'm saying? And can you believe that is it for this install? I legit took it out the box, baby, slapped it on my head. I cut the lace off, sprayed it down with the layer spray, and that was it. I love the fact that she is so natural looking, so I do not believe that she needed any baby hairs. So we're gonna keep her just like this. Going in with my comb, and I am just running it through to take out any little snags or tangles that I may have, and she is butter soft. The unit is definitely on the silky side, so if you're that type of girl that loves silky straight hair, this is definitely for you. I'm a coarse straight kind of girl, but we're gonna appreciate what our girl is giving today because I am in love with her. Going in with my brush, because I am not using a hot comb, I wanted to show you guys that there are actually some units out there that does not require much work. You can really take it out the box, glue it on your head, and that is honestly it. You guys did see me go in with my scissor, and I just cut a bit of sideburns on the unit just for, you know, a little natural effect, and that was it. As far as cons for this unit, the fact that she is silky and straight, please expect her to tangle. I noticed that with a lot of my silky units. Obviously this is day one, so she is butter soft, but I will definitely look out for that. I don't like the fact that she's only a side part. As bomb as she is, I really wish that I had the flexibility to do other hairstyles, but this is all that our girl is giving right now. Now, if I had to rate this unit on a scale of 1 to 10, she is giving a strong 9. The side part kind of messed me up, and the fact that she's so silky, I just know that she is bound to tangle, but it's okay. Today she's giving butter soft, and we appreciate that. Also, if you guys are wondering about the price point of this wig, let me just tell you, girl, that she is only $38, and I just think she is worth every penny. The easiness, the convenience, the no baby hair, she's giving natural, she's giving bundles for 26 inches. This is definitely one of those units, when you wear them, you just know for a fact that you're gonna run it back in the future, for sure. But that was it for today's video, you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also be sure to hit that notification bell so you know when your girl will be posting next. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios.